All right, let's do our word work for today. It's Tuesday. Remember, repeat after me and then give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. Seed, read. Thumbs up. Head, dime. Oh, they don't rhyme. Bake, make. Okay, let's try these out. Ache, ache. They both end with ache, so I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Come, some. Yep, they rhyme. Rock, pole. Okay, we're going to try these out. Ock, ol. Ock and ol don't rhyme, so thumbs down. Okay, I'm going to say it and you repeat after me for the onset fluency. Cane, cold, k. 4, 5, f. Girl, good, g. Joke, jet, j. Look, left, o. Okay, we're going to blend our words together. Wiggle, wiggle. Handle, handle. Rabbit, rabbit. Cartoon, cartoon. Morning, morning. Okay, we're going to do our medial sounds. R, an, a. S, et, e. H, it, I. T, op, a. R, ug, a. Okay, get your choppers out. Remember, let me do it first, and then you. Undo, undo. Hopeful, hopeful. Brainy, brainy. Seeing, seeing. Counting, counting. Okay. We're going to be adding some syllables today. Start with the word park, add ing to the end to make parking. Good job. Start with the word play, add ing to the end to make playing. Start with the word see, add ing in the end to make the word seeing. Start with the word hope, add ing to the end to make hoping. Start with the word wait, add ing to the end to make waiting. Good job. Now we're going to delete or take away a syllable. Start with the word dirty, take away e. What's left? Dirt. Start with the word cloudy, take away e. What's left? Cloud. Start with the word stormy, take away e. What's left? Storm. Start with the word rainy, take away e. What's left? Rain. Start with the word snowy. Take away E. What's left? Snow. Good job. Okay, for our nursery rhyme today, remember we're doing the whole ones that we've already done. Repeat each line after me, and then at the end of the week, you'll get to pick which one is your favorite. So today we have Little Boy Blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Great job.